How to fix call failed on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple fixes that can help resolve the problem. First, make sure you have a strong cellular signal and that airplane mode is turned off. Next, if you're using a physical SIM card, remove the SIM tray. Check that the SIM card is clean and properly seated, then reinsert it. If you use an eSIM, make sure your cellular plan is active. Next, open the phone app on your iPhone. Then dialing *#31#. On some carriers, this code resets the outgoing caller ID setting. Keep in mind that it doesn't work on every carrier, so it's not a universal fix. If the issue continues, open Settings on your iPhone. Then tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset and tap Reset All Settings. This won't erase your photos or apps, but it will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, network preferences, keyboard settings, and privacy settings. Finally, restart your iPhone and try making a call again. If calls are still failing, check for a carrier settings update by going to Main Settings page. Then tap on General and tap on About, install the latest iOS update, or contact your mobile carrier to make sure there isn't an issue with your account or local network. That's it. These steps should help fix the call failed error on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides.